Hi, this is Ragnath. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install School Admin Parent Admin app WordPress plugin on your website so that your parents can visit your website and log in with their username and password, which is provided by the school, and they can see all the information which is shared with them, such as news, events, holidays, homework, assignments, etc. The first thing is you have to log in into your WordPress website. Currently, I am logged in WordPress website. You can see that I'm in a plugins page. So before you can install the plugin, you have to download the plugin from our MarvelSoft emschoolsoftware.com website. You visit emschoolsoftware.com website and go to parents login. It's a demo plugin which is already installed. You click on download WordPress plugin button, so which will actually start the download, and the plugin will be downloaded inside the downloads folder on your system. So then go to your WordPress and click on upload plugin and click on choose file and go to downloads folder. Select the MarvelSoft SACE school app.zip WordPress plugin and then click on install now. So once you click on now, the plugin will be installed on your site and then click on activate plugin. So once the plugin is installed, it will be available on the plugins page. You can see that MarvelSoft SACE plugin. Okay, so you can just directly go to settings. You can see SACE ERP settings. So there you will see the plugin with all the details. You can see that API testing, help and usage, which has the very detailed information about how to configure the plugin on your site. So there are various options through which you can control the appearance of the plugin, how to use it, page. So what are all the pages you can create? Almost around 8 pages to display all the information related to the which you want to make available to the parents. So the most important thing is in the settings, you have to have the API base URL and you have to give your school name and school logout URL, school logo and the school image, and you can choose the color, and you have to give the organization ID which is configured in your school admin CE, and there are dashboard CSS which you can use to control the appearance of the plugin page. And so this is typically the dashboard, so how it appears on the page. So once you upload the plugin, there are various things that you have to do. You have to add a menu item, so which is called as parents login on your WordPress page. So for that you have to go to, so before that you need to have a page where the shortcodes will be included to add the plugin components. So we need to have a parents login page. So for that you go to pages. First you need to create all the pages which are necessary and add the shortcodes. You can see that there is a app login page, and there is a parents assignment page, parents dashboard page, parents events, parents holidays, parents notice board, and parents profile. So you need to create all these pages, and it should have the URL in this format: parent hyphen profile for the parents profile page. So the URL format, so what you are seeing is defined in your SAC ERP settings page. So where we talk about, so what should be the page URL. So you can go to help and usage, page creation help. See, the all page should have the page slug like this: parent login, parent dashboard, parent home, parent notice board. So this is the URL which you should use, and in that page you need to add these short codes. So this way this information will be available on those pages. You can go to pages, all pages, and you can see that so parent dashboard, so it has a URL parent hyphen dashboard, and you should add the, say, since I'm using Elementor plugin, so inside that I have the short code which is relevant to the parent dashboard. Once all these things are added, you need to create a corresponding menu items. So you have to go to the menu options. So let me go there, appearance menus. So you can see that in the parents login I have a page. So if you go to parents login page, see, you can see that parent dashboard, parent assignment, notice board, all these things are available. What I have done is I have added the parents login page under the menu SchoolAdminCE. Okay, so once the menu items are added, then so you need to create corresponding menus. Once the authentication is done, so the menu will be displayed on the top. Once the menu is displayed on the top, so on the parents admin dashboard, if you go here, you can see that, see, I will log in. I have a already username and password. If I log in, see, currently we are in app login page. So you have to click twice. So the authentication goes through. You can see that. So once we log in, we are in the app login page. So there we have a button. So parents dashboard and logout button. So you can just click on parents dashboard. Then the parent dashboard has the shortcode for the dashboard for the menu item and this strip and the notice board and event. So if you do configure all these things properly, so you will be able to have the parents login, school admin SACE parents login on your website, WordPress website. And anytime you want to test your APIs, you can just click on login. You can go to API testing, select the details and click on test API. If all your settings are proper, so you'll have the proper response from the SSE app server. If you are getting this information properly, so you can see that what is the request that we are sending and what is the response that we are getting. So most important thing is, before you configure the pages and the menus, you need to have your SSE app URL properly configured and your org ID properly configured. And you should have created username and password for all the users, all the parents who are going to log in. And anytime you want to know the more details, you can go to help and usage. You can see it's a very detailed help, so through which you will be able to configure your WordPress plugin. So this is general help. Page creation help has all the details, and we have the setting dashboard CSS. For each of the pages you want additional settings to be done so that the page is consistent. So you have to have this, and you have to add in the particular page custom CSS, and you have to upload this configuration, and you can tweak this as well.